Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sunrise, beautiful skies there. As you can see, the sun's just coming up. It's 5 a.m. Early morning, we're starting our day early in the morning, and here I am coming outside so I can brush my teeth, have my tea, and be ready to start my day. So we've been having rain here for the past 2 weeks. It has been raining heavily, non-stop, and there was a lot of flooding happening to where we are going to do our work today. You're gonna notice that the ground is still wet. There's still water going through. So yeah, I am stretching my arms, getting ready for the day because it is going to go down. It's gonna be a lot of work today, but yeah, we are ready. Getting ready. Yeah. First thing you got to do in the morning, you want that breath to be, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you wanna smell fresh in the morning. So I'm done brushing my teeth, and I just thought, you know what? Let me just stretch my legs, my hands, my back, oh, the entire body parts. Yeah. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. That's what's up. Let's go. So we are ready for the day. Exercise done. 5 seconds of exercise. As we see the view there, we've got a beautiful view here, guys. This view, this is a beautiful view. Village life. I tell you, village life. Look at that. Sip, brother. Yeah, so yeah, inside we go. Gonna quickly change and get ready to start doing what we have planned for today. Saturday, beautiful day here in my village. So now I'm gonna start my work. So this is the work I need to do today. As I've said, it has been raining heavily for the past 2 weeks non-stop. So you can see the bushveld has literally outgrown. So I did start a bit here like yesterday, but I had to stop. Because the grass was still wet. But today, yeah, I see the sun is coming out full force. So yeah, let's go. So we will be trimming this bushveld the manual way. The manual way, the old manual way, the old manual way, the village way. We're gonna use a blade which we use to trim our grass. Just that you get to exercise your arm because it is tiring. It is literally tiring. So you can see it's too much work. So I won't be able to finish this in one day. So I'll do it in segments. But today I'm gonna start from here. So this is the portion I'm gonna start with. So I'm gonna do this entire portion today. So yeah, let's go. Pull up your pants, brother. We're about to do some work. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the video. I'll see you again at the end of the video. Let's go. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and then share. Let's go. thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you can see, we are done with today's work. We started very early before sunrise, 5 a.m. I was outside already, doing my thing. And here we are done, and the results very good. I'm still gonna have to finish. As you can see, we still have a lot of work to do up there, also there at the back and in front. So yeah, but for today this is enough. I've done so well. This is a huge space, as you can see. And yeah, I really appreciate you so much for always coming through and watching the vlogs. We drop one every Saturday, and yeah, it's a blessing to have such good community. So go ahead and click the like button, share the video, subscribe, join the community. We are all about good vibes. Yeah, of course it is natural vibes, and it's all good. I appreciate you so much. Natural vibes with me, TK. Another one. See you on the next video. See you on the next vlog.